Langfuse is the open-source LLM engineering platform. Used by 19 of the Fortune 50, processing over 10 billion observations per month. If you're building AI applications in production, Langfuse is your observability layer. Think of it like Datadog or New Relic, but purpose-built for LLMs. Every prompt, every model call, every tool invocation gets traced. You see latency, cost, token usage, and full conversation history in a single dashboard. Langfuse does more than trace. It manages prompts with version control and one-click rollbacks. It runs evaluations using LLM-as-a-judge or custom code. It gives you a playground to test prompts on real production data. And it lets you run experiments with side-by-side comparisons. Deploy in your own infrastructure with Docker Compose in 5 minutes. Or use the managed Langfuse cloud. It integrates with everything: OpenAI, LangChain, LlamaIndex, Lite LLM, Versal AI SDK, Haystack, AutoGen, and more. 28,000 GitHub stars, over 300 contributors, 7,000 commits. Used by Canva, Twilio, Adobe, Khan Academy, Intuit, Cisco, and Expedia Group. Self-host or use the cloud. Your LLM stack, fully observable.